Assalamualaikum and hi guys. In this video, I will talk about touch sensor or capacitive sensor and a simple project that we can do with it. Capacitive sensor deals with capacitance, or in simple word, capacitor. A capacitor is built between the sensor and the human body when we bring a human body near the sensor. A charge is induced and this charge is picked by the sensor and is translated as a button pressed. As we move our finger back from the sensor plate, the capacitance is lost and the circuit breaks. Now, I'm going to do a basic demonstration on how to use this sensor. Just connect it to pin 2, VCC and ground of Maker Uno. Let's see how it works. Open button example from Arduino IDE. We can use this example to test this touch sensor. The advantage is we don't need to insert force in order to press a button for this sensor. We can also activate it without touching the touch plate. Yes, without touching it. Now, open a new sketch in Arduino, copy and paste the sample code that we have shared in our tutorial here. As you can see, when I touch the touch sensor, the box is open and move the left. You can do this simple project for your loved one. Please share with us what you plan to do with this touch sensor down below. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.